This is the skills practice for section 9.1. We're going to use ratios and proportions. In this first section, they're going to give you a ratio that's comparing two numbers with division, and what we're going to do is simplify it. So 15 to 20 is not simplified. You could do this in your head. What number goes into both of these? I think a lot of us know that 5 does. 5 goes into 15 3 times, and 5 goes into 20 4 times. "15 divided by 20 is the same thing as 3/4. That's how you use your calculator to check your work. Okay, so we'll do these ones together. That's all you do with this section. Use your calculator and reduce each ratio. Now, when you come to 13 through 20, they write the ratio out a little bit different. It doesn't look like a fraction. 15 feet to 25 feet. You can change it to a fraction if it helps you. The idea is both of these have the same unit, feet and feet. So 15 to 25, again, I know 5 goes into both, so this is just 3/5. That's your answer. Same thing's happening here. You can write the ratio 48 to 15 and then check to see if that reduces. Pretty sure 3 goes into both of those, but I'll double check. It'll give you 16/5. The trickier ones are when the units don't match. So I want to make sure we take a look at those. 15 and 16 are very simple. You can do those on your own. 12 inches compared with 3 feet. You don't want to write the ratio 12 to 3. If you do this, you're wrong. And the reason you're wrong is the units don't match. You need to convert this to either feet or convert this to inches. It's up to you. You'll get the same answer either way. But I think a lot of us know that 12 inches makes a foot. So we're going to change 12 inches into 1 foot. So here's your ratio. 1 foot to 3 foot. It's just 1 to 3. Number 18, we're comparing centimeters to meters. How many centimeters are in a meter? If you're not sure, you can definitely ask your phone. Your phone will tell you. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. So in 2 meters, there's actually 200 centimeters. So we're going to compare 80 with 200. And we end up with 2/5. The mistake you don't want to make is comparing 80 to 2. That would be wrong. Your units must match. Number 19, 4 feet to 10 yards. How many feet are in a yard? There's 3 feet in 1 yard. So this is actually 1 yard and 1/3 of a yard because you have 1 left over. Or 10 yards, we can switch to 30 feet. Maybe that's better. I know there's 3 feet in every yard, so I'm going to multiply my 10 with 3. So now I'm going to compare 4 feet to 30 feet. 2 goes into both. Number 20, 8 quarts to 5 gallons, not the same units. How many quarts are in a gallon? If you don't know, again, ask your phone. How many quarts are in a gallon? It'll tell you. There's 4 quarts in a gallon. So 8 quarts actually makes 2 gallons. So we're going to compare 2 with 5. That's your reduced ratio. Make sure your units are the same. Next section down, they give us proportions. That's when you have two fractions or ratios set equal to each other. They're going to give us 3 of the numbers, and you have to find the one that's missing. Really, really simple. Cross multiply. So we're going to take 8 times 6 and then divide by 3. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 divided by 3 is 16. Number 22, same idea. Cross multiply. Your cross products are going to be equal. 24 times 3, divide by 18. For number 23, we're going to take 12 times 14 and divide by 7. Now, there may be times where you're not sure if that's your answer. Maybe it seems odd. Could x be 24? Well, let's see. 14 divided by 24. See how it gives you 7/12? That's how you know that that's right. The rest of these are done the same way.